Welcome back, KTM fans. I got a little surprise here. It's dark. I'm riding dirt bikes. Got the city glow back that way. I don't know how much this GoPro is going to pick up. And we got pretty much pitch black in front of me. Now, if you remember my last video, I installed a LOYO LED headlight. Well, I'm going to try it out in the dark. Pretty much pitch black, as dark as I can get where I'm riding. I'll show you the low beam, I'll show you the high beam. You tell me what you think, but I am already impressed. This is low beam. There's no dead spots from the fender to straight ahead. This is high beam. Check that out. Isn't that great? And a very wide spread. You can see everything. How cool is that? This is like riding in the daytime. This is awesome. I may have to do some night rides, put some night ride videos out. Couldn't do it before because you couldn't see where I was going. Does this mean I'm going to ride faster? You never know. I just love how far ahead I can see. There's no dead spot right in front of the light. With the stock KTM headlight, there was a 5-foot space.